please like and subscribe. And click the notification bell para sa mga susunod ko pang vlog. So today, susubukan natin ang tinatawag na chiropractic. So guys, tignan natin kung ano magiging resulta sa akin mamaya. So, see you later guys! So guys, nandito na tayo sa United Nation Chiropractic Center. So, papasok na tayo. Tara na. Waiting tayo. 1:30 pa yung schedule natin. So, maghihintay pa tayo. Meron pang patient si Doc. Hirap to. Inglesero. Problema ko to. Paano mag-i-English mamaya? So, good luck sa akin. Mas kinakabahan ako mag-English kaysa magpaklak ng buto. So, mamaya ulit. Kita tayo sa loob.
Bring the leg back here. So you can get that pelvis to be right there. That's usually where the sciatica starts, right in the leg. Let's see if it's going to cooperate. Good. There we go. Good. Let's go to the other side. Got one more. You ready? That was it, right? Let's come this way. I think that was the one. Okay, a little bit closer. We might have more. Let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna do that same one we did before because I think it might be a tailbone issue. Okay, here's the tailbone. There. It does move. That's hard to move that one. It doesn't move usually. I think that's all there is. How's that?
Guys, eto na yun. Tapos na. Akala mo humiwala yung kaluluwa ko. Pero, sarap. Masarap sa pakiramdam. Subukan nyo to. Patingin nyo. Ano naramdaman ko kanina? Kung gusto niyo tong video na to, nagustuhan niyo yung vlog na to, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa susunod kong vlog. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Yung neck ko, nung in-adjust yung neck ko, parang humiwala yung spine ko sa katawan ko. Sarap. Nakakatakot na masarap. Kasi alam mo na yung susunod na gagawin sa'yo. So, matatakot ka. Pero masarap. Tignan natin kung ano magiging resulta. Kung gaganda ba yung pakiramdam ko. Sasakit pa ba yung likod ko. So, pabalik pa tayo sa next Thursday. Kailangan natin tapusin yung session para makita natin yung pinakamagandang result. So, pag nyo lang yan. Pero natakot talaga ako. Parang humiwala yung kaluluwa ko.